Attaching files like pictures or PDF is an essential feature offered by most mail merge solutions. Today, I'm going to show you how you can easily add an attachment in your mail merge using a solution called Mailmeteor. Let's open a Google spreadsheet and from the add-ons menu, open Mailmeteor. Here, Mailmeteor is opening, and I'm first going to show you how you can add one attachment. So here, I'm going to create a new template. And for the example, I'm naming it adding one attachment. In the body, I can personalize my email. So it may be, hey, first name, please find the invoice attached. And as you can see, you have a menu bar, which works quite the same as the one in Gmail. So here, the attachment icon, let me attach a file. Let's go to my download folder and select whatever suits you best. So in your case, it might be a catalog, a cover letter if you're applying to job positions, an event program, your wedding plan, or an invoice you send to your clients. Let's attach an invoice first. As you can see, the file is now attached to my email. And if I save my template and go to preview emails, here you can have the confirmation that the file will be attached to your email for each recipient. Here it will be attached for Sally, and then for John, Jessica, and so on. What if I want to add multiple attachments? It's rather easy. Here, for the example, I'm changing the subject line. And the only thing you have to do, so just for the example, I'm deleting the invoice.pdf file. Go back to the attachment icon. And then let's say I'm a teacher. I want to send the exam results to all my students. So I could select the exam results to Jessica, Neil, Peter, and Sally, and add them to my email. As you can see, several attachments have been added, one for Jessica, Neil, Peter, Sally, and so on. And you can replicate this example with any use case you have. So you've seen that it's quite easy to add attachments in your email thanks to Mailmeteor. In a future video, we'll cover how to send personalized attachments to your email. But in the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more tips around Gmail and Mail Merge. And if there's anything I've missed, just let me know in the comment section. See you soon in our next tutorial.